Pixel series of Google has made its name in the smartphone industry. Phone after phone, version after version, it's only getting better. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Google Pixel 9 has been in the limelight since the time it was launched. Are you done with seeing its praise everywhere? Then worry not, because Google's here with its successor. You guessed it right. Google has developed Pixel 10, which is ready to be launched at their upcoming event named Made by Google, along with a whole lot of other interesting gadgets. Stay tuned to get the whole tea. Made by Google is a live streaming event in which Google showcases its new products which are set to enter the market. When is this event? We'll let you know. But first, you have to know what will be in this event. The main highlight of the event will be, of course, the Pixel 10 series. The series has the usual standard mode, the Pixel 10 Pro, the Pixel 10 Pro XL, and womp womp Samsung fans, just like Z Fold and Z Flip. Now Google also has a foldable version, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. We just can't wait to see how it will be. And we forgot how Google's been focusing on its Gemini AI models, so there's a chance we might see enhanced AI features in the newer models. Not only this, Google's here with the whole package. Apart from the smartphones, a leak has suggested that Google will present Pixel earbuds rebranded as Buds 2a, which are sure to steal the limelight. That's not all. Speculations are there that Google will be there with Pixel Watch 4, which will debut with longer battery and faster charging. Let's stop for now as we've already hyped you guys enough. So mark your calendars for August 20th so you won't miss this event. And this was all the info we had till now, and we're waiting for Google to drop more. Which product will you be looking forward to? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.